At dawn, in the quiet breath between night and day, a garden awakens. Within these shallow pots stand living landscapes, miniature in size yet vast in meaning. Each bonsai is more than a tree. It is a symbol of patience shaped by steady hands, of resilience carved by time, of harmony between human intention and the quiet wisdom of nature. In twisted trunks and weathered bark, we see endurance. In delicate leaves and fleeting blossoms, we witness impermanence. In their balance of strength and grace, we discover reflection. For centuries, from the courtyards of Japan to gardens around the world, bonsai has carried stories of discipline, peace, gratitude, and renewal. This is not merely the art of growing trees, it is the art of cultivating meaning. In the stillness of a museum gallery, a Chinese elm stands as living sculpture, refined, deliberate, and timeless. Though contained within a shallow pot, its presence feels expansive. Its roots anchor firmly below, while its branches unfold in careful proportion above. Strength and grace exist together, neither overpowering the other. A gentle hand meets the soil, not to control but to guide. Harmony begins here, in the silent understanding between human intention and natural rhythm. As mist drifts and birds greet the day, each bonsai stands in quiet dialogue with its surroundings. Different forms, different ages, yet all balanced within the same breath of morning. In this garden, harmony is not perfection, it is relationship. Roots below, branches above, light and shadow in equal measure, a living reminder that balance is not found, it is cultivated. Discipline begins with intention. A wire bends slowly around the pine's branch, not to force it, but to guide its direction. Every movement is measured, every adjustment deliberate. Pruning is an act of restraint. What is removed is as important as what remains. In patience, the tree is refined, not rushed. Care continues in the smallest gestures. Water settles into the soil, nourishing unseen roots. Growth is quiet, steady, and often invisible. The pine responds with resilience. Needles sway but do not break. Strength is not rigidity, it is the ability to endure. In this silent exchange between artist and tree, time becomes the true medium. Discipline shapes the pine, and in return, the pine shapes the one who tends it. In the quiet glow of candlelight, the juniper stands in stillness. Shadows move gently across its form, reminding us that calm does not mean absence of motion, only the absence of haste. Up close, its bark carries the memory of time. Fine needles reach outward with quiet intention. Each detail invites us to slow down and truly see. Soft light passes through the room, diffused and gentle. In this space, the juniper becomes more than an object. It becomes a presence. A steady hand makes subtle adjustments. No urgency, no force, only awareness. A conversation guided by patience and breath. Surrounded by simplicity, the bonsai teaches what many seek, that peace is not found in stillness alone, but in mindful attention to the present moment. Across centuries, the art of bonsai has been preserved not only in soil and root, but in ink and parchment. Ancient scrolls record its forms, each stroke honoring balance, proportion, and reverence for nature. In full bloom, the Sakura reveals beauty at its most fleeting. Petals fall without resistance, reminding us that what is precious is often brief. Generations of masters have tended these living works of art. In quiet gardens, knowledge passes from hand to hand, tradition carried forward with humility. Sunlight filters through delicate blossoms, illuminating their fragile perfection. Here, status is not measured in wealth, but in refinement, in the discipline to cultivate grace. Set against timeless architecture and open sky, the Sakura stands as both art and inheritance, a living bridge between history and the present moment. With spring, the Azalea awakens in radiant bloom. Color returns with confidence, petals unfolding toward the light, celebrating renewal after quiet dormancy. In summer, blossoms give way to strength. Leaves deepen in green, nourished by long days of sunlight. Growth is steady, abundant, and full of life. As autumn arrives, warmth shifts into softer tones. Leaves loosen their hold and drift gently downward, not as loss, but as preparation. In winter, the branches stand bare beneath quiet skies. What appears still is only resting. Beneath the surface, life patiently waits. Bloom and decline, fullness and stillness. Through every season, the bonsai reflects the rhythm of existence, a reminder that endings are never final, only part of the turning cycle of life. In its peak of autumn brilliance, the maple stands radiant, leaves aflame in red and gold. A quiet breeze moves through its branches. What once held tightly begins to loosen. Change does not arrive with force, it arrives softly, asking only acceptance. Each falling leaf descends without resistance, completing its season with quiet grace. Even in departure, beauty remains, etched in every delicate vein, illuminated by morning light. And when the branches stand nearly bare, nothing is lost. The tree rests, lighter, unburdened, ready for the turning of time once more. In full bloom, the Bougainvillea does not whisper, it celebrates. Color bursts outward with confidence, transforming a simple bonsai into a living expression of joy. Up close, what appears bold from afar reveals delicate detail. Paper-thin bracts glow in sunlight, protecting the small white flowers at their center. Joy is layered, vibrant on the surface, yet quietly sustained within. In every translucent petal, there is gratitude for warmth, for light, for the simple gift of another season. A careful hand turns the tree slowly, honoring its form from every angle. Gratitude grows not only in bloom, but in the act of tending. Branches cascade freely, color spilling into the surrounding garden. Joy, when nurtured, expands beyond its boundaries. Against simplicity, its brilliance becomes even clearer, a reminder that beauty needs no excess to be seen. As the sun lowers and petals glow in golden light, the Bougainvillea offers a final lesson. Life is not only endured, it is celebrated with gratitude. In this miniature forest, every bonsai tells a story of patience, resilience, and harmony. Light dances through leaves and branches, reminding us that each moment is fleeting, yet full of meaning. Across many trees and many seasons, the rhythm remains the same: bloom and rest, fullness and release. Though each bonsai stands unique, all move together in the same timeless cycle of life. These trees reflects not only its own journey, but the care and devotion of those who nurture it. Together, they form a living mosaic, a testament to the enduring bond between humanity and nature. Let these symbols inspire your own moments of reflection, patience, and gratitude.